Hi there. Really large parcel today. Let's see what's inside. Well, I don't know why I've turned it again. Okay, it's got some decent filling material. And one box. And some more decent filling material. And what do we have in here? Well, it says AC Trains London. It's kind of a giveaway, but let's see how they look like. So that's set 4. Comes with this original stamp. With the certificates. And inside, these beautiful gauge, really heavy vintage tank wagons, and as you can imagine, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, like in the good old days, rebuilt the way they were built, but evidently with newer technology, very high attention to detail. Well, that's the tank wagons from AC Trains in gauge. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.